this. Alright, check out this desk. This is a nice one. Wow, this is nice. I have some drawers here and it's all over with floral. I wonder what is this? Is it for your room or for your dining room? Which one? So guys, I'm in this place here. It is a used store, reused store. And if you ever need like used furniture, this is a place that you can come and cut down on your costs. Instead of you, oh look at this nice little vase here. I could do a lot with this. It's like just $7. And we have some chairs here. I need a chair for my classroom to sit on. That's what I'm looking for today. Oh, this is nice. This one is what? $15 or $1,500? It's $1,500. You get the whole ensemble. More right over here. It's just a matter of me picking one. So let's continue looking. This one is a little heavy. So think about this one here. This is a nice one. Let's see if it's comfortable. This one here, I'm kind of sitting up too straight in this one here. So they have a lot here, as you can see. So I'm around the back here, guys, and as you can see, this is the paint department and anything pertaining to home. Bathroom stuff is right here, and chandelier paints over there, tiles, and a whole bunch of stuff. What we have here, wood. And I'm heading over here to see if I find anything, like locks and stuff. Okay guys, we are heading to Randolph because you see this store here in Fairfield, it is so expensive. So right now, I just got out of there because I'm like, So I'm heading to Randolph. That is my store. That's the one I always go to. So let's go to Randolph and see what we can find there. I'm looking for something for my classroom, like a desk. I'm looking for a chair for my desk. All right. They have beautiful chairs in there, but they have beautiful chairs in here, but very expensive. And I'm like, I'm not paying that really. I might as well just use the ones that the school provides. But I was looking for something for myself that's more, up to date and not looking shabby. And but boy, very expensive in this store here. All right. So let's go to Randolph and see what we can find down here, guys. My name is Sonia Williams. I'm on the road. I'm heading out to Randolph. School is about to start in the next week. We only have like one more week to go, so I'm taking advantage of getting whatever I want. I need some stuff for my classroom, so that's the whole reason I'm out on the road here trying to find used stuff that is next to new. All right, or slightly used stuff for my classroom. You know, nobody has money now to be buying expensive stuff. So let's go around and find some stuff for my classroom. All right, come with me. Let's go to Randolph's. All right, guys, just arrived at Randolph. So let's get into this store to see what is going on. So I just brought these guys at Randolph's. I didn't find what I wanted, so I just grabbed these bins for my classroom. Different colors. I have green, pink, blue, orange, so I can color coordinate. I got a fan down there, like a desk fan for my room also. And I bought this. I also bought this light strip to plug stuff in. And that's pretty much it for today. I'm happy for my purchase.
It's up in the $700 price. Like the Kashmiris are $5.
So guys, I'm in Habitat for Humanity. Today is fill a bag for I think it's $10. And you have a whole variety of stuff here, like a whole bunch of scarves. These are new brands. You can put scarf, you can put leggings. We have hats over here. What else can we put? Bags are over here. All sorts of stuff, berets. See? All these you can put in the bag. So this was just a random running, and now I hit the jackpot. So it's like that over here. It's a hit and miss, a hit or miss. So this is my lucky day. I like what I'm seeing, so I'm gonna grab a bunch of stuff. I grabbed some handbags. This is what they're looking like this. You can get ties.
I know, because that's ridiculous. It looks like it's missing a belt.
So right now I'm over here, and as you can see, a whole bunch of stuff. We have a nice chair set right over here. Let's see how much is it. This is like a zebra print. $99 for the set, I guess. And what do we have over here? It says $15. And now I'm heading over here to the more high-end section. This is in Randolph. And as you can see, we have nice chairs and tables, break front, mirrors. It's a nice mirror. Wow. How much is that? $75 for that. And we have other ones here. Photo department. So now I'm walking into the light fixtures department, and as you can see, we have a whole lot going on here. Whole lot of people here today. You can find anything you want. All right, guys, doors galore. Look over there. Any door that you are looking for is right here. Non-stop doors, two sides. Look at that, two beautiful lamps. Got the glass bottom here. And then those big shades. Lamp, all different types. Beautiful. Got this one here. Over there is a door section. If you're looking for doors, all over there. So this is all tiles, all sorts of tiles right here.